example, I showed you that values for a variable can be changed through the execution. Here I'm going to show you now that how the type of variable is going to be changed. So for example, we have n here. Okay, it is going to be equal to 50. So the type for this n right now, it is integer. Okay, it's a number. How it's going to be changed to something else? Okay, so it was 50, right? Again, in the next line, I'm going to give it 50 plus, for example, 9.5. Now we have this as a float. Okay, you see when I move my mouse over it, it is telling me that it's a variable and n is a float. How about the first line? Let's move our mouse on it, and it's a literal. Okay, okay, it has that one. Okay, so it's a literal, and here it is a float. What else can we do with this? I can assign something else like a string. Okay, so it is going to be like 70. Now when I move my mouse over it, it is telling me it's 70. That means it's a string right now. Okay, so through this process, okay, the first line it got 50, which is an integer. This one it is a float. In this part, line 3, it is a string. So is it possible to check to understand that what is the type of them? Yes, it is. We have a built-in function called type. Okay, for example, I'm going to give n to this one, and also I'm going to assign, and I'm going to print that. Okay, let's print it, and here use type and then give the n as input. So in this line, which is line 2, it is going to print the type of this for me. Okay, type of n for me. So I'm telling right now that it is an integer. Let's run this 2 line of the code. Okay, so select it again and run the code. You will see that it is a class of integer. Okay, what is that? That means type of this right now, it is integer. Okay, how about this one? This one, when I ran it, it is telling me that nothing at all. Okay, because we don't have a print statement here. So let's use a print statement here and use type and then give the n. So in this line, let me save it, and in this line, when I ran it, okay, just this one, you see it is telling me that it's a float. Of course it is a float, but you see it's class of float. Perfect. How about the last one? Okay, when I use this one, print statement, let's use print, and here I'm going to use the type of it, and it is giving n as argument, and I'm going to run it. So you will see that this time it is giving me str. That means it's a string, it's a text. Okay, so that easy. Now you can see that this type for variables can be changed through the execution of the program. Okay, so now if I run the whole code, you will see that it is giving me 3 types. Okay, first one is integer, second was float, and the last one is string. Okay.